So that obviously, right from the beginning, in early 80, when Hu Yamping there, things are very hopeful. At that time, the Chinese government made 5-point proposal. That's about my return, about my future. So at once, we responded to the Chinese government. This is not the issue. Issue is 6 million Tibetan people's basic right. So now, in future, unless they start realistic approach about Tibetan problem inside Tibet, not much, to discuss. Once, they start the realistic policy. Now, after all, Tibetan problem is neither good for Tibetan nor to China.
In a nutshell, if you boil it down, what is the realistic policy that China should follow towards Tibet?
Simply, I mentioned, seeking truth from fact. The fact should be real fact, not official sort of created fact, not that way.
But on paper, it seems you both have a common position. You both agree. You said yesterday, you repeated your assertion that you are not seeking independence.
That's
out
right.
of the question.
That's right.
China insists that Tibet will not be independent. So how can you convince them then that all you are seeking is true autonomy and not full independence?
There's a difficulties. Usually I express, we both have mantra to recite. My mantra is, we are not seeking independence, we are not seeking independence. The Chinese mantra is Tibet, all is part of China, all is part of China. I think both mantra, real effect is limited.